In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a placeholder on Google Sites. Start by heading over to sites.google.com and open up your site. A placeholder is a temporary box for text, images, or videos so you can plan your layout first. Now in the right menu, switch to the Insert tab, then scroll down and look for the placeholder option. All you have to do is click on it. Here you can see the add button inside it. Later on your design, you can upload files inside this placeholder area. You can add YouTube videos, calendar, map, and a lot more. Drag the edges to resize and move them around to structure your page exactly how you want. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video, and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!